Things didn't suddenly stop working. That's not what changed. What changed is what happens after they break, because things still fail. Phones crack, batteries degrade, appliances wear out. That part hasn't changed. What's changed is what you can do about it. You used to fix things, not always perfectly, not always easily, but it was possible. You could open something, see how it worked, replace a part, put it back together. And even if you didn't do it yourself, someone could. Repair shops existed everywhere. Parts were available. Instructions were accessible. Fixing something wasn't unusual. It was expected. Then something shifted, not in how often things break, in how they're built. Products became harder to open. Screws disappeared, replaced by glue. Clips replaced fasteners. Cases became sealed, not to protect the device, to prevent access. And once you can't open something, you can't repair it. Then parts became harder to find, not unavailable, just controlled, restricted to authorized repairers, locked behind systems, or priced high enough that replacing the entire product feels easier. And that's the turning point, because once repair becomes difficult and expensive and inconvenient, you stop considering it. Not because you don't want to fix things, because you're pushed away from the option, and over time, that becomes normal. You don't ask, how do I fix this? You ask, should I replace it? And that's a completely different mindset, because replacing something is faster, simpler, cleaner. No research, no tools, no effort. Just buy a new one and move on. But that shift didn't happen by accident, because when something is easy to repair, it lasts longer, and when it lasts longer, you don't need to buy another one. So products started being designed differently, not just to work, but to cycle, to move through a lifespan, not too short, not too long, just long enough to feel acceptable, short enough to encourage replacement, and repair gets in the way of that cycle, so it becomes harder, less accessible, less encouraged, and eventually less expected. And that's where we are now. Most modern devices are not designed to be opened. They're designed to be used and then replaced. Phones with sealed batteries, laptops with soldered components, appliances with integrated systems, cars that require software access just to diagnose a fault. Even simple things are becoming complex, not because they need to be, because complexity limits repair, and limited repair drives replacement. But there's another effect of this. When you can't repair something, you don't understand it. You don't see inside it. You don't learn how it works. You don't develop that connection. And over time, that knowledge disappears, not just from individuals, from culture, because repair used to be part of everyday life. Now it's specialized, locked behind tools, systems, and permissions. And when something is specialized, it becomes less common, less accessible, less expected, and that feeds back into the cycle. If no one expects to repair things, fewer things are designed to be repaired. And if fewer things are designed that way, repair disappears even further, until eventually it feels unusual, even impossible, to fix something at all. And that's the quiet shift. We didn't stop fixing things because we stopped caring. We stopped because the option slowly disappeared, one design decision at a time. And now we live in a system where replacing something feels normal and repairing it feels difficult, even when it shouldn't. And once you notice that, you start seeing it everywhere, because repair isn't the only thing that got harder. Keeping things, maintaining things, holding on to things, that's getting harder too. And once you notice this, it all starts connecting. Not just one thing, everything. Music, movies, games, products. It's all part of the same shift. Next, you don't own anything anymore and didn't notice.